All right, guys, this is Travis Shaw again with Jesse Norman School of the Arts, and this is the 10th lesson in the beginner guitar course. So this is actually going to be the last lesson in the guitar course. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that just because you've done all 10 of these lessons that you are officially not a beginner anymore, but I'd say you got through some stuff, right? And you worked through some stuff, and you've gotten to the point where you found some kind of new way to deal with the guitar. Now, I just want to kind of give you something cool to think about and maybe give you some parting thoughts in this last lesson. So, a couple things about the guitar that I think are kind of neat. One of the things about the guitar that is really cool is that shapes move around pretty easily. And I want to show you a shape that you can take and just kind of move around and groove on and find some just some like neat stuff to play, kind of sitting around the house, maybe around on the porch or something like that, so that you can enjoy the sound of the guitar. So it's built around a G chord, but it's a new type of G chord that I don't think I've shown you guys yet. So I'm gonna show it to you. So let's get into it. For this G chord, I'm going to use my second finger, my third finger, and my fourth finger. Now, we haven't used the fourth finger much, so it might be kind of new, but it's okay. We just try. Second finger is going to grab the third fret of the low E string. Fourth finger is going to grab the third fret of the high E string, and the third finger is going to grab the third fret too, but on the B string. Okay, so I've got low E third fret of the high E, third fret of the B. Okay, and then again, when I'm playing this chord, it's a G chord. I let that second finger, touch the A string so that it's muted. Okay, so now I have this sound, which is like the vanilla ice cream of acoustic guitar. You want to be able to present the ice cream eater, which is you, if you're listening to yourself play, with a vanilla that is like spot on, right? So you kind of have to work on it. You have to work on how to get a vanilla ice cream to sound right, even though that doesn't sound right. Okay, so spend some time with this chord. Play it kind of light with the right hand. You don't have to hit it super hard. I mean, you can fill up the guitar and get some volume out of it, but you don't have to like... You can, right? But I think playing the guitar with kind of a light right hand allows it to be really warm and present. Okay, and then experiment with down and up on the right hand. And again, when you do a downstroke on the guitar, it tends to emphasize the low strings. And when you do an upstroke, it tends to emphasize the high strings. So they sound a little different. And you kind of start to get to the place where you can begin to shape a groove and shape a rhythm a little bit. But what I recommend doing to start out is do like down, up, and then give it some space. Because a lot of times that space can really help something groove. This shape with the left hand moves around. Watch this. Third fret. I'm going to move it to the 7th fret. That's a cool sound. I'm going to move it to the 10th fret. That's a cool sound too. So if I even just say 3, 7, and 10 are really good sounds, then I can start combining them together in ways that I want to combine them together, like maybe like a drummer, you know. Right? Not bad, right? So you experiment with these sounds. You experiment with moving them around and trying to create your own grooves. And then, just to show you, I'm going to play some grooves using these notes, and maybe I'll move it around to a couple more locations and just kind of improvise a little bit. And we'll just see what happens, see what comes out. I have no idea. But I'm just going to have fun playing the guitar and enjoy the sound of it. So. Not a bad little idea, right? And maybe it's not the coolest thing that's ever been played on the guitar, but it's rewarding and it's fun and it's engaging and it's not insanely difficult. Okay, I hope you guys dug this beginner guitar course. It certainly was cool to get a chance to put it together. So we say thank you to the Jesse Norman School of the Arts because they are doing awesome stuff with awesome people for awesome people. And we look forward to the fact that there's going to be more music courses, more art courses, more tech courses, more arts courses in general coming your way. Talk to you guys soon. Take it easy and stay in touch.